Hello everyone, I am here to present topic on top 10 AI tools you need to know in 2024. Artificial intelligence is one of the key factors to transform entire field. The main objective of AI tools is to improve productivity and shape the future. So in this lecture, we are going to understand the AI tool one by one with their applications. Now let us discuss. First one is ChatGPT. It is one of the common AI which is the powerhouse application. This was developed by OpenAI. The main factors of ChatGPT is conversational AI, content generation, code assistance, language translation. Next one is stable diffusion. The main role of stable diffusion is to create art, and you can create design, and you can describe the character for that. Next one, GPT-3, the groundbreaking language model. The main important role of GPT-3 is to generate text. You can translate language and you can generate code. Finally, you can summarize it. Next one is DAL E2. This is going to work with the revolutionary image generation. The main responsibilities of this tool is to create photorealistic images, artistic creations, personalized images. Next one, Anthropic. It is one of the advanced AI tool. The main important role of this is to create with research development, ethical guidelines, AI alignment, public awareness. The next one, Hugging Face. It is one of the AI ecosystem innovator. The main important models in is open source model, pre-trained model, community collaboration, educational resources. So next one, OpenAI. It is one of the pioneer of transformative AI. It can do research and development, model deployment, AI safety, public outreach. And next, Google Cloud AI. It is going to work with scalable AI solutions, cloud-based AI, data analytics, machine learning, AI platform. If you integrate all this, it is going to collaborate with the artificial intelligence development. The other two tools are u.com, Fieldbot. These are the other tools it is going to check with the image generation, text generation, and Fieldbot is used to check with the grammatical mistakes, and it is going to check the inequalities. This is about the outline of the top 10 AI tools. I hope this will benefit you, and further enhancement can be done in the 2025. So thank you for watching. Keep updating for the next one.